She's like, should I try it again? Is that like the mama cow or something? Oh wait, is that a boy? Someone's pissing. Is there any way you can call them over here? You like the cows? You like the cows?
I don't know how out there my grandpa feeds them.
The cow, that must be like the main cow or something, because look, they want to go over there, but he's not letting them. No, he looks pissed at them. Someone's about to get out of line and they're gonna get it. Watch. Hey, he let them go. She dropped the banana.